What's up, everybody? Okay, so we're gonna check out this plugin by Cake One called FangTastic for Genesis 9. So it's all about the damn teeth, damn teeth, damn teeth. So there's a lot of, you can see there's a lot of pretty cool things here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at them. All right, let's take a look at them. So I've got this Genesis here, and if you go to FangTastic, you'll get this. Now we're looking at this as a noob, just straight out the box, seeing how easy it is, whatever. So I've got a Joan set up here, and I mean, if you double click these, it automatically changes them, which is pretty cool. So there's a lot of presets in here. You can see a ton of presets, and they're all pretty cool. These are actually pretty damn sweet. What about if I... Huh, okay, so these are the morph before, so it carries on adding if you do this. And then obviously you can reset your teeth here. So if I want to do this, and then add like these two bottom ones, you can see it adds those, and then add like, let's see, something else, these, boom. So it keeps on adding and adding. Okay, sometimes you're going to get wrecked results, but then you can reset the whole thing. Or you can just look up Fang, go to Joan, and just type in Fang, and then you get your presets. I mean your sliders. So here we go. I mean, very easy to use. Very easy to use. And some very cool results though. I like this, man. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Let's get up in that teeth. Yeah. Oh, mensch. Stupid with the camera, man. Anyway. So I mean, some cool results. If you go the other way, okay. I don't know why they go the other way. It doesn't work. Okay. That's quite crazy. Straight. Okay. Down. Boom. Going the other way doesn't really work. I don't know why you can go the other way, but I don't know. It doesn't matter. That's a negative. But there we go. Some cool things. Which is cool about this then is obviously they sliders. So you can mix and match. You can mix and match and add different things, different sliders. So this, I mean, that's cool. That's really cool, man. Nice. Nice. So if you want, oh, wicked, wicked, wicked. Some crazy looking teeth. Crazy looking damn teeth here, bowlers. Um, so obviously they've put in a lot of work. All the different kinds of teeth. Very easy way of getting teeth. I mean, if you don't have ZBrush and you don't want to put in the time yourself, this is a great little one that just works straight off the bat, man. Look at that. I've just had my wisdom teeth taken out the other day, so my mouth is in pain at the moment. I'm in pain, y'all. Absolute pain. But there we go, man. This is very cool. You got quite a lot of control over this. Wow, it would be. Oh man, tell me if you can do. Okay, so that's each one. It would be cool if you had over every single tooth, but maybe that's asking over too much. I mean, there's a lot of results here. There's a lot of things you can do here. But I think the VinMay pack allows you on every single tooth to do something, which is awesome. But this, man, this, if you're looking for something just straight off the box, quickly done, you want to create a monster or something, I mean, VinMay doesn't have half the amount of different teeth like this. So this is a really cool pack. If you just want to get in there, create yourself a monster, a vampire or something, this is quick. This is quick and this is easy. And there's a lot to choose from, man. Look, we're just going through all of them here. But there's a hell of a lot. Damn. And you can always add other ones. See that? You can add and change and do whatever you want. But there's some cool teeth. There's some cool teeth in here. Some teeth. Look at that teeth. Yeah. There's some very cool things here, man. Wow. Very cool. Very cool. So, yeah. Oh, okay. This is the Finmay. Fangs, though. Okay, so... I mean, this is pretty cool. I like this. Fangs up, fangs down. So you've got the control, man, which is wicked. And you can create anything. Wow, that's wicked. Yeah, I like this. This is cool. Yes, see that? You do have kind of control over most of your teeth. Yeah, this is awesome. pretty damn cool. So if you need a quick way of getting quick ass teeth, and they're looking pretty good, man. They've done a wow, yeah, man. This is awesome. So they've done a good job with this. This is a cool little pack. If you don't want to mess around and mold your own teeth in ZBrush or whatever, this is a great little pack. I like it. I'll definitely use it. I mean, I'm always creating monsters and stuff, so this is right up my alley. Damn, my mouth hurts, man. Ah, he just yanked them out, man. Dude was vicious. Absolutely. I mean, what the hell? Just sticks an injection in my mouth, grabs the teeth, rips them out. This dude was horrible. Anyway, anyway, the wisdoms are out. Never have to think about it again. And this is fitting for the teeth back. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.